The flat bench press machine, typically two types of people that use this. Number one would be the beginner that doesn't want to use their stabilizer muscles in the flat bench or maybe the dumbbell bench. So they use the machine to limit the motion into one plane and isolate the pec. And speaking of isolation, the other type of person will use it will be more advanced, like a bodybuilder that simply only wants to isolate the pec and minimize the use of secondary muscles such as the triceps or any muscles in the shoulders. But what I want to talk about today is what I'm going to do at the end of the set. So once I finish my 10 or 12 reps, that's when the set starts. So here you see the isometric hold at the top, while the other arm works the eccentric and the concentric. So now we're maximizing time and retention, and we're trying to get the most of our sets and of our reps. Try this to spice up your workouts.